Shabrumno Special Economic Zone shenamnani bagai pipeline chaitogi tongo haphang. Oboni bagai fene tema shakao shenamzagi tongo Moitri Setu Bridge. Bangladesh ne Chittagong Port by connect engnai o bridge. Bharat Bangladesh ne halok kara khalaina the international beremo baniab kaham khalai manatei shenamzagi tongo o bridge. SEZ Chenkai hasteo income bangnai tai shai shai shamong shebbo asainai hani shakha South Tripura Hangkorni DM.
As you are aware that this Feni Bridge is under construction currently, which we expect that it would be completed by 26th of December this year. So there is a huge scope of this connectivity of bringing the goods through Bangladesh. So many goods we will be able to get through this Chittagong port once this connectivity is completed. Then it will definitely broaden our scope to have many of these goods which we have to bring through a long way from Calcutta port, and this would definitely reduce the transportation cost. Along with it, you must be knowing that railway connectivity has also been extended to Sabrum, and it's functional now. Now there are many projects related to this connectivity, and goods yard is also there in railway. The logistic hubs, these are also coming up. SEZ, this SEZ is a multi-sector SEZ which is coming up, which will have many industries, and this will definitely provide lot of employment opportunities to the people of Tripura. And this logistic and transportation are definitely, when lot of goods carrying containers and these trucks, they should come, definitely there will be requirement of shifting it to the railways or some other means, so that this can be transported to not only parts of Tripura but also to other northeastern states. So for this purpose, this logistic hub as well as this goods yard of this railway, these are also being taken up in Sabrum. So holistically, there is a plan to improve the connectivity by using this Moitri Setu of this Feni Bridge, so that the railway as well as the roadway, whatever this connectivity, we can make optimum use of for development of the state as well as northeast.
Jeng tabuk basai tonggo Sabrum ni Indo-Bangladesh Feni River ni sakao je tabuk kaisa Moitri Bridge angi tongo awani sakao jeng tabuk basai tongo Moitri Bridge angkha India by Bangladesh ni halok no tebo kerak khaina ni bagai kaisa lama abo tei chini bania tebo hamsanai baniao thangmani je suk rok je cost rok je tax cost rok jatono komai thangbai nai Moitri Bridge tei tabuk manirok phaibeka hangkai terek khai logistic hub chengnai logistic hub chengkha hangkai integrated check post rokbo khulok thangnai abo bai tamongnai abo bai chini hasteo teibo samongni shape rok bangnai kwbangma borok rok shai borok rok samon manbai nai tai oro je industry setup angnai o industry o tongo kwbangma jatre pot business oro setup angnai hukbar ni business tongo chini rubber ni bagai chini Tripura second largest production khayo rubber aboni bo kaisa industry angnai chini ri takma ni bo industry oro chengnai terek kha oro industry rok TIDC ni yapriti oro chengjaknai aboni pore oro ni borok rok terek khai shai borok rok oro samong manbai nai aboni bagai no o Moitri Setu Bridge tabuk khaksa swnamjak kha tei khaksa swnamnani samung choli tongo jeng kha khlaio je 2020 ni December jora o bridge painai tai chini Tripura teibo kuchugo thangnani lama chengsanai.
Sabromno SEZ shinamnani bagay logistic hub by integrated checkpost simia railway te airway te bo thanglaishu chengjagay tongo. Fatar haste baniani bagay Sabrom by connect angnai rail line shinamjakha. Chongjagay tongo Sabromo SEZ chengkhe bania phuarnai tai Tripura angai kashanai northeast tai southeast Asia ni gateway. Tabuk shim nashingmung o imangno mukthango shalaimanoknani. Jasmine Dev Jamatiani report, Kokharang.